Attorney Martinus François is bemoaning the perceived inordinate delay in a judgment in his case tried in March 2021 regarding the constitutionality of the non-appointment of a Deputy Speaker of the House of Assembly. The lawyer, in an interview with News Force on Monday, was careful not to relitigate the case in the public given that the ruling in the matter is pending in the courts. However, he did express satisfaction at the appointment of a Deputy Speaker.
We did that case March 30th of last year. Next month is going to be a whole year, right? And I'm waiting for a decision. We've done the trial. It's a matter of decision. And I want to know what's taking so long. Honestly, I'm disappointed at the length of time. I can't comment on the merits because the judge is still judgment is reserved. I can't comment on the merit even though the new parliament appointed a deputy speaker, so which vindicates me actually, very clearly. I'm vindicated by this fact alone. Now I really feel disappointed that the actual judgment is taking so long because my life will have to continue. I put a lot of effort and time into this case and I got to go on the rest of my life.
François has since sought intervention of the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court. Speaking to HTS News Force's Solange Alfred on Monday, he argued that he was simply performing what he saw as his civic duty. The attorney was spurred to speak out after the case provided fodder for discussion on the Radio 100 drive time show That Makes Me Mad, co-hosted by Stanley Lucien.
I did it for my country, right? And I'm not to suffer just to wait for a judgment.
François, who was grilled by News Force, was at pains not to prejudice the adjudication phase of the case, stressed that his life has been in abeyance due to the year-long wait for the decision.
It's a good judge prerogative. All I can say is that I feel disappointed. Because, I need to travel. I need to travel. And I can't travel because I'm waiting for this judgment. I need to move on to my life. I've done what I had to do for this case at my own expense and cost. Right? I did it for my country. Now I need to move on with the rest of my life. Justice Ron Phillip.
The debate over the appointment of Deputy Speaker began in August 2016 when Sarah Flood-Beaubrun resigned the position to become a minister in the then 2-month-old Alan Chastanet administration. The former Prime Minister refused to allow the government side to elect a deputy, contending it was the duty of the entire Parliament. This move was at odds with convention and questions arose over its constitutionality, leading François to test the merits in the courts in a case against the office of the Speaker of the House. The island was without a deputy speaker for 5 years until the SLP was voted into office in the summer of 2021, with Micoud North MP Jeremiah Norbert now in the post. It should be noted, with the exception of Chastenet's regime, every administration, including Sir John's UWP in 2006-2007, relented when faced early in their tenure with the deputy speakership question. The King government was without a deputy speaker in the waning months of its tenure. Joachim du Plessis, HTS News Force.